shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here at today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Tuesday, August 11th. The SPY is on fire. Yes, it is. It is totally riding this 4 EMA up the hill on the daily chart. Today we're going to be bullish above 338, and we're going to be bearish below 336.50 for a possible retracement. Let's head on over to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 33.81, and we're going to be bearish below 33.56 for a retracement to person's pivot if we do start to head down. The Russell is leading the way. Yeah, it usually does, up and down. 160, very powerful level. Yeah, I expect to see some sellers there. Let's see if there are any on the book. Just a couple. Here's a little guy here. Well, the biggest guy in the book, but there is a guy on ARCA. Let's look and see. Nope, nobody on the Nasdaq book viewer, but there is a small seller there. So that's why that is a key level, bullish above 160 the first time. I do expect them to be loaded. Wait for the second time around. Bear below 158.75 for a retracement trade. QQQs, bullish above 272. Bear below 270.50. We've just gone below there. Yeah, we did hit one target, I believe. Yep, 270. So watch the second test for 270. That's going to be key for the QQQs. Looks like money flow is changing. Let's go to Nasdaq futures. Bullish above 11,150 and bear below 11,100, and we've already gone down and hit that 1180 target. 2 cents shy of 1155. Yeah, came really close to that. That's the pivot, and yep. So if we do go below that, that would be bearish. In fact, let me show you what I am looking at. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you don't have person's pivots, come on. This is the best thing ever. Yeah, we've come down, and see how there's a Camarilla right there? Hold on, there's a blue. I'm going to zoom in on that. Yep, whenever you have the solid line, that's the Camarilla pivot boss. Right next to person's pivots, you have two computers that are loaded to buy, and you can see why the volume spiked when we went right down there. So yeah, if we cannot hold that, yep, look out below. All right, that's when things could get ugly for the Nasdaq. All right, let's go to, let's go to oil while we're here. Yep, let's check out the oil futures. Ooh, the oil futures are really trying to hold above those trend lines, you guys. It's only Tuesday, so anything could happen by Friday. We could have another upthrust. But you can see right there, zoom in there. Yep, she's trying to get above that ceiling. So let's go to the 5-minute. We're going to be bullish above 42.75. We're almost there. And you can see 43 is a pretty good target there. 42.99 is person's R2 level. We're going to be bearish below 42.20 if we do turn around. I look at that pre-market volume, and that's how I pick my levels. Let's go to gold. Yep, gold is starting to fall down the hill. Yep, we're below that 2,000 level. That's pretty key. I'm going to be bearish below 1990. We've already gone down, and looks like we hit a couple of targets. Let's go to the weekly chart for a sec. Yep, we've hit this top trend line, and we're retracing, it looks like, to the 4 EMA on a weekly chart. That's about 1968 area, 1969. Yeah, so we could have definitely more room to retrace. Yep, but we have S3 right here at 1976. So you can see I wrote that. That's S3 target. And then we could go to the 20 simple moving average on the daily, which is about 1970. And that's where that 4 is on the weekly. So that would be a really big support area. But let's go into gold stocks. I'll be bullish above 2010 though. If we do start to rip higher, that's a key level. But I have quite a few things for you guys to watch in the gold arena. Let's just start with the miners, GDX. We've had some sell prints lately, 42.70, and we are below that. Today, I'll only be bullish above 41.50 for a retracement trade. Yeah, there's like a pocket right here till we hit resistance. And also till we head up to the 20 simple moving average on this daily chart. Bear below 41, which we've gone below. What we really need to watch today is this 30 simple moving average. It's going to move. It's a moving average. So wherever it is going to be support the first time it hits. Then if it hits the second time, 25 minutes later usually, then things could get ugly if we don't hold it. But that would be our first big support area for GDX. Let's go to GLD. GLD, we're going to be bullish only above 187.50 for retracement, bear below 185.50, and we are headed down there. So what I'm watching on the GLD, if you like to trade that, is this 15 EMA. Again, same thing, that's going to be support, bounce, the second test. If we go below that, that's when things can get ugly. This is the big trade right now ahead of us. But key levels to watch for IAU. This is the dark pool favorite. This is what told us gold was going up. We had massive prints that came in, starting at 1602, 1608, 1691, 1724, 1847, 1857, 1883. We are still above all these massive prints. We are headed down to that 1883 area where we'll test where that last dark pool print was. And we'll take it level to level. If we go below that, we'll start to turn bearish. If we go below 18, I want to say 47. These are really the key levels to watch. Yep, let's see if they were selling here. If we go below that, that means they were selling. Yep, and we'll most likely go down a lot more. All right, so those are going to be key. All right, let's go to individual stocks on NEO. Yeah, NEO's been a beast. Remember, we had these two patterns, the flag, or are we going to fill the gap in? Looks like the flag won. Today, we're going to be bullish above 16, bearish only below 14.80 for NEO. I did see a seller on ARCA at 16. Let's see if he's still there. Ooh, look at this guy at 15.90. Yeah, see that? Wow. And all the way, look at that huge seller at 16. Yeah. So there's a lot of big guys loaded to take profit. So be careful on that. Make sure it goes above all of that. Bear below 14.80. Let's go to American Airlines. They are heating up. Bullish above 15.25 today. Bear below 14.40 for retracement. UAL. Sky is totally clear on UAL. We are coming up to a big level, 40. Yeah, 40 is the big one. So bullish only above 40. You can see there's a small seller there. Let's see. Yeah, a small guy on this book too. Nobody big, but that's when we watch to see if they're refreshing. So wait for that second test. Bearish below 38.50. Cruise lines, Carnival heating up today. Let's check out this daily chart. We have major resistance right here. Yep, we finally came up to this 50 simple moving average and this 120. So bullish above that. Yeah, if we can rise above, that is bullish above 16.75. Bear below 16 for retracement. All right, silver is starting to get a little bit tired here. Bullish only above 26.25 for retracement. Bear below 25.80. We've just gone below that. Yeah, 26.25 is the last dark pool print we had. That's why I chose that level, by the way. Let's go to Boeing. Yeah, Boeing, the coast is clear here. Bullish above 186 and bearish only below 182. Let's go to Nikola. Bullish above 44.50 and bearish below 43 for Nikola. Wells Fargo came down and retested those prints yesterday and bounced back. So we are bullish above 25.50 today. Bear below 24.37. You can see the coast is clear to go all the way up to these moving averages up top. Let's head on over to Tilray. Tilray, we're going to be bullish above 8 and bearish below 710. We had those dark pull prints. They tested it yesterday. It bounced. I don't know if it's going to hold, but we'll see. 710 and 713. Yep, that is going to be key. So bearish below 7. There you have it. Those are your whispers for August 11th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.